Where do you want to go, Miles?
This, Mama.
That's the Indian Ocean. Do you want to go there?
Yeah!
Where else do you want to go?
See monsters.
See some monsters?
Maybe see them letters.
How big is the ocean, Miles?
Tiny bit bigger and tiny bit smaller.
Yeah. Are we going to sail in the Pacific Ocean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This doesn't boat.
We just need our boat. Yep. Ruby, can you tell me where you'd like to go in the world?
I want to go to Hawaii.
Anywhere else?
Let's go with you. The Pacific. Let's go with you and we had the balance and
You're right, Miles. Near the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, there are pirates over there. Especially the Gulf of Aden.
And Lana is nice.
Gorillas are nice. Do you know where we could go see gorillas somewhere in the world?
Yeah. And now it's with the monsters.
We probably won't see any monsters. Do you think we're going to see coconuts?
Yeah. I see baby Lana.
Baby gorillas? Any?
We might see monkeys in India if we still are there.
Yep. Are we going to see any whales, maybe?
Yeah. And dolphins.
And dolphins?
And hippopotamuses, maybe.
Maybe.
And maybe.
Maybe some elephants if we take a tour on lambs sometime?
Yeah.
We met some people the other day that saw some elephants and got to ride on an elephant in Saudi Arabia.
And like this baby and then
You'd like to see some baby elephants?
yeah.
Yeah.
And